If you want to get a good quality Subaru Outback accessories according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Gooacc Fasteners Rivets Clips. Gooacc Fasteners Rivets Clips are an excellent choice for anyone looking for high quality and reliable fasteners. These clips are made from premium materials and are designed to provide a secure and tight fit, making them ideal for use in a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on a DIY project or need to replace worn or damaged clips in your vehicle, Gooacc Fasteners Rivets Clips are sure to get the job done. They come in a variety of sizes and styles, making it easy to find the perfect clip for your needs. Additionally, these clips are very easy to install, saving you time and effort. Overall, if you need fasteners that you can depend on, Gooacc Fasteners Rivets Clips are definitely worth considering. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Fram California 9997 Engine Air Filter. The Fram CA9997 Engine Air Filter is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their vehicle's performance and longevity. This filter is designed to provide maximum airflow while trapping dirt, dust, and other harmful contaminants, which can cause damage to your engine over time. The filter is easy to install, with no special tools required, and it fits perfectly in most vehicles, making it a great replacement option. With its high-quality construction and advanced filtration technology, the Fram CA9997 Engine Air Filter can improve fuel efficiency, increase engine power, and extend the life of your vehicle. Overall, if you want a reliable and effective air filter for your car, truck, or SUV, the Fram CA9997 Engine Air Filter is definitely worth considering. The number 3 position is held by Husky Liner's Weatherbeater. The Husky Liner's Weatherbeater is an excellent choice for anyone looking to protect their vehicle's interior from the elements. These liners are made from high-quality materials that are durable and easy to clean, making them perfect for all types of weather conditions. They are designed to fit perfectly in most vehicles, providing maximum coverage and protection against spills, dirt, and debris. The liners are also slip-resistant, so you don't have to worry about them moving around while you're driving. Overall, the Husky Liner's Weatherbeater is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle's interior looking like new for years to come. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality set of liners, the Husky Liner's Weatherbeater is definitely worth considering. Next at number 4 we have Metra 95-8903S Dash Kit. The Metra 95-8903S Dash Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's audio system. This kit is designed to fit perfectly in most vehicles, making it easy to install. It comes with all the necessary components, including a dash kit, wiring harness, and antenna adapter, so you don't have to worry about purchasing anything else separately. The kit's silver finish looks great and matches well with most car interiors. The installation process is straightforward and requires no special tools or knowledge, making it easy for even novice car enthusiasts to install. Overall, the Metra 95-8903S Dash Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their car's audio system. It is well designed, easy to install, and looks great, making it a worthwhile purchase. If you're looking for a high-quality dash kit, the Metra 95-8903S is definitely worth considering. Finally, the number 5 position is held by 3D MAXpider L1SB01301509 floor mat. The 3D MAXpider L1SB01301509 floor mat is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to protect their car's floors from dirt, spills, and other debris. These mats are designed to fit perfectly in most vehicles and are made from high-quality materials that are durable and easy to clean. They are designed with a 3-layer construction that includes a thermoplastic rubber bottom, a shock-absorbing middle layer, and a top layer that is made from a carbon fiber texture that provides excellent grip and is resistant to wear and tear. The mats are also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any spills damaging your vehicle's interior. The 3D MAXpider L1SB01301509 floor mat is a great investment for anyone looking to keep their car's floors looking like new. If you're in the market for high-quality floor mats that provide excellent protection and are easy to clean, the 3D MAXpider L1SB01301509 floor mat is definitely worth considering. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.